Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to set up on Asana. And so what I do is I have this main board and I pull in client work, things I have going on each month for the next quarter or so. And so here I can see, okay, this is client work sheet, and then over here in November, my top priority is this first course, which is AWS. And in there I have the courses I need to take as a subtask. You just click this up here. And then the other things I need to do to accomplish this goal, right? And it's important to get this stuff out of your head and in here to free up space, right? Because your brain will relax knowing, okay, that information's somewhere safe. And then up here I just have like basically the game plan. So this is the course I'm currently working on, which I need to fix something because I did not spend 4 hours on that today. I spent 1 hour on that today. Okay. And I'm using EverHour to track my time for this stuff. But anyway, I come into this course, right? So we'll just say course. And these are all the lessons that go with the course. And Linux Academy lets me, or it has a scheduler and it tells me, it spits out like my start date and how many hours I want to dedicate a day, and then it tells me what I need to study each day. So you can use Linux Academy, but I'm in Asana, so I use Asana. So this is everything I need to get done today, tomorrow, like, and this is just to stay on track so that I can finish this by the 13th, right? So I'm going to show you how to do this. So you're going to make a blank project, and let's call it, I don't even call it school, like, courses I could do it, level up, I don't know, whatever. And then you're going to add a section. So you can say like, okay, DevOps, I like that, data science, and, oops, add another section, DevOps, right? And then you have marketing. Okay, so then we'll grab this digital marketing specialization, right? And we're going to make it a task. Then you click details. And again, you put the link there where you need it. You can put the description. You're going to assign it to yourself. And on the free version, I don't think you can do a start and end date. So you're just going to do a due date. And you will make that December 6th. Now you click this up here, and you'll add the different courses, right? So course 1 is this. Oops. Course number 2 is this. Okay, so on and so forth. You'll go through and add the titles of the rest of the courses. And so you'll see it. Then you'll open up that specific course. And then over here, you're going to just hover over that first course, and you'll see this button light up, this little bubble. Click that. Right. So I'm going to grab this URL. And I put the URLs in there so that when I go to complete the task, I'm not looking for the shit. And then, get out my way. Get away. I hope that's not in the video. But we'll just rock with it. You'll click this again. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. So over here we click that bubble, and now we click the subtask. And so we're going to copy the lessons, or yeah, the lessons over for that course. So this is week 1. Right. Week number 2, and again, all the other shit. Okay, so course 1, you're going to assign to yourself. And if you gave yourself 4 weeks total, that means by the 13th, or let's say the 12th, by the 12th, you need to complete this. And then you're going to come up here and go add to project and add it to your 2019 board. And then the month you're going to work on it, right? So then you come to 2019 board, and here is your course that you're working on. And as you complete each week, you will mark it off. Mark it off. So what's cool is that, let me mark this for today so it just pops up. You can have this main course show up in your today task, right? But, you know, it doesn't, like, I don't know. Like, we'll do it for the 12th and it'll go down. I have a lot of stuff in here, so Tuesday. It's around here somewhere, right? So what I would do is I would take these courses or the lessons from each week, assign them to yourself, and then give these little things due dates, right? So I don't know, you do like make this due on the 8th, and then make this due on the 10th, and then make this due on the 11th, and then, I don't know, the 12th. Break it up however the hell you want. It's the 13th technically, right? And so now, where are we? I did that. Here, there. No. I don't know. Week number 1. Let's find it. So last Friday. Okay. This is why you shouldn't do more than one course. Okay. Here we go. So, okay. Let's just look at mine as an example, right? Today I come into Asana, I click my task, and you can see everything I have to do today. And this is basically all I have left to do today is study, right? And so I like this better. I like scheduling the lessons throughout the week so I can see instead of coming up to Friday and being like, oh shit, I have like 4 lessons that I need to get through. So, recap. Where did I get the project? Level up. There we go. That's what it's called. You make a project. You add your sections for the areas you want to study. You put the course or the specialization in under the section. You open up the task, right? It's technically called a task. You add the different courses you need to take. You set a final due date, so you want to be done with all of these courses by this date. And then let's say you give yourself like a week per course, depending on how lengthy it is. Right? The Coursera is easy to get through quickly, in my opinion. So these are all going to have final due dates, right? And then you're going to come in and add the lessons for the week and give your, like, space the due dates out every couple of days, right? So if you have, 7 days in a week and you've got 4 courses, you're going to be doing about 1 to 2 courses. You're going to do 1 course every like 1 to 2 days. And yeah, that's how I would set it.